Of course, this is a legal strategy ng ating prosecution panel. But material at relevant witness siya dyan dahil siya mismo nakarinig, nakakita, at nandun siya sa loob ng pangyayari. No? I-remember, ang pinag-uusapan yung nag-issue ba ng pagbabanta o hindi. So, sino pwede magpatunay? Diba?
So, at the release, natotoo yung video.
At least totoo yung video. But the fact that the defense used it, hindi nila dininay na yung video niya ay authentic. So, ginamit nila. That gives it that gives the idea na ito ay authentic video.
Pero tricky ha.
Medyo na to. I think the prosecution team has a strategy. In fact, ngayon hindi pa naman siya, hindi pa naman siya ang naka-schedule today. I think it's Attorney Lotok, of NBI. So we'll see kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari after today, maybe after the next witness.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.